Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at a Manchester United goalkeeper top, and as you can see, we do have the name Schmeichel on the back. There's a nice retro one. I do enjoy my retro items. Seller of this one was DHGate.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHGate link for my usual seller, hopefully to Manchester United items, so that you can take a look at theirs as well. So the shirt comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side it does have our usual health warnings. So if you are new around here, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions or anything, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The seller is DHGate.com. Delivery timescales, you're looking no more than 15 days from the point of ordering the items for them to turn up on your door. And when you do order them and it gets all confirmed, they do send you some photos so you can make sure that you're happy with the item before it gets sent out to you. But what we'll do now is we'll open the bag and let's take a look at this Manchester United goalkeeper top with the name set of Peter Schmeichel on the reverse side. Okay, so we'll start with the front, and being a goalkeeper top, you do tend to always get these sort of ring neck collars, which to be fair, I think looks quite smart on this one. And straight away, let's just take a moment to appreciate the design. This is what I love about retro shirts, in particular the goalkeeper ones. I think the last video that I released was the Norwich retro one, so again, to see another one with a fantastic looking pattern on it is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Obviously no padding in the sleeves, although you do have the item there where you would expect to have padding on. There is nothing there. And the umbro is printed into the material. The Manchester United badge is like a velvet texture, and that's been heat pressed onto the material. Sharp is also in the material. I think from memory, these sort of goalkeeper tops have had all padding all down the arms, all the way to the bottom. You've had it all on the sleeve, the shoulder, all the way down. You do have the cuffs, which again are really thin. What you find with these sort of remakes of the goalkeeper tops is these are effectively just an outfield player's shirt that they've put the print on. Once they do all the padding on there, then it will be perfect. But yeah, there's the front of the shirt. Let's take a look at the reverse side now. I'm onto the reverse side now, and the ring neck collar continues around. No padding or anything in the collar line, not to be expected. Again, the front pattern continues around the back, not as much, just that one little bit down there, and the back is relatively plain. Obviously, that's because we do have the name set of Schmeichel on the back. This is vinyled on. It feels actually really quite smooth. Likewise, the number one has then got the umbro at the bottom. There's a massive old crease there where the shirt's been in the bag, but once the shirt's been worn, washed or whatever, that crease will soon disappear. And what I didn't realise was we've got the pad in there, or where it should be, and we have one on this sleeve as well. So both sleeves have the item where the padding would be, although in all honesty, I do think that would be a little bit higher, because that's going to surely be where your elbows are, and the padding would be in there. But yeah, maybe slightly off, should probably be a bit higher. But as I always say, where are you going to get a shirt like this for this era in this good condition? You're just not. So if you can make do with those, then this one is a winner for you. But now what we'll do is we'll flip it inside out and we'll take a look at that as well. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt, and the V-neck, it's not, it's a ring neck collar line. Stitching all looks really strong. A little bit of excess cotton there, but that can soon be pulled off. Where the Manchester United badge has gone on, it's been heat pressed on lovely, no creases, nothing. That feels very smooth. And what's really nice about these sort of shirts is the umbro and the Sharp sponsor, that is printed into the material, so you know you're never going to have any issues with that at all. Down the bottom of the shirt we do have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. Never tumble dry them, and I never would iron it either. Always let them just hang dry. It doesn't have a cross through the iron there, but yeah, I definitely wouldn't be ironing these. Looking at the hemline stitching, yeah, that looks good. A little bit of excess cotton there on the join, nothing on that side. All in all, I think that looks really good. Strength under the arm with the stitching, absolutely perfect. So there's the first part of the inside. Let's take a final look at the other side now. And here's the final part of the inside of the shirt. We've got the collar line, we've got the umbro size, and under there I think it's a double XL, 2XL. Actually the tag will say yes, a 2XL. So I actually got this one of my friends. So can I move that tag out of the way? Yes. We've got the print of Schmeichel along here, lovely and smooth. And likewise the number 1. There's that massive crease that we looked at the start. That really will need to come out of this shirt because it's on the number 1, and it's a little bit annoying. But as I say, once the shirt's been worn or washed or something, those creases will soon disappear. If we push in on the shirt, you've got no chance of seeing anything from the other side because it is the purple colour, that colour there. So it's a nice thick colour, although the material itself is quite a lightweight, shiny sort of material. So yeah, not see-through in the slightest. And like I said, no creases or anything, no bobbles where the name set has gone on there. Really happy with that. Right, and there we have it, our Manchester United goalkeeper top from DHGate.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video, along with DHGate link for my usual seller. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one. Is this a really smart shirt, or are you not a big fan of these retro, crazy, out there style? I think they look absolutely fantastic. I really do wish teams would bring stuff back like this, or the manufacturers. I've said it before, I'm not a big fan of the template kits. I like it where there's a bit of style, a bit of difference. Seeing someone like Schmeichel walking out on this straight away, it was intimidating. Now you just get your plain greens, your plain oranges. It just doesn't do it for me. So yeah, drop me a comment, let me know below what you think of this one, and do you miss these crazy shirts? The seller, as I said, is GAKits.com. All the information in the description of the video, along with a DHGate link for my usual seller. If you're new and you've enjoyed the content, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. But as we take a final close-up look of this Manchester United Peter Schmeichel goalkeeper top, what a fantastic item. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.